Hi everyone, I'm.Yogadharani, working as Assistant Professor in Department of Computer Science and Engineering at SNS College of Technology. I'm handling data structures subject. Today, I'm going to tell you what is the importance of sorting and shell sort and heap sort. Before getting to the topic of heap sort, just a small recap of what is sorting and what are the simplest form of sort we already shown. Like, so sorting is nothing but sorting means arranging in ascending or descending order, or smallest to biggest, or biggest to smallest, or alphabet from A to Z, or Z to A, likewise in any order. So this is a sorting. So sorting is a simple idea, but behind the sorting there are a lot of sorting algorithms are there, and each has a specific role, and its memory space, its performance are all different. And now I'm going to tell you what is heap sort, and with the DT based one. And heap sort here empathy part is, imagine she's a Priya. So Priya wants to organize a priority of task. When organizing task by priority, instead of searching for the biggest or the smallest every time, we use a structure that is a heap, that it keeps the highest priority task at the top. So heap sort uses this idea. And then second one is next slide is define part. So heap sort is an efficient sorting technique. This is a binary heap to organize. Okay. So heap sort is a comparison based sorting, as I told you already about the cell sort, and insertion sort is like also likewise only. So bubble sort, cell sort, insertion sort, heap sort. These all basic sorting algorithms are mainly based on comparison based only. So here heap data structures to sort an array of elements, and the binary heap behind the principle here is it has a two property. First one is a structure property. In structure property, binary heap build a tree with a complete binary tree, which where each parent node is either greater than or less than its child node. Heap sort, and then second property is heap order property. That is nothing but either the tree must be in a max heap or in a min heap order only. So a binary heap, it maintains the two properties. First one is structure property, and the second one is heap order property. Keep in mind that. As we saw already about what is a heap tree, last like a heap tree, heap sort all same. In heap tree, we have three operations like insert, delete, and search operations. Here, a heap sorting algorithm need to first build a heap, that is either create a max tree or min tree from the input array. And the next step is extract element. That is, if the tree going to delete element means extra, remove the maximum element from the root node, and place it at the end of the array. And here the main advantage of heap sort is heapify one. So heapify is nothing that restore the heap property by heapifying the reduced gap. And finally we get the sorted array. So how it works? So I explain that example in activity one. What is here? Unsorted list 23. Okay. Build a max heap. Okay. So max heap means from the tree, which the among the key which has the highest score is only placed at the parent node, and the remaining leaf nodes must contain only the lesser than the parent node itself. So see here. So it has the 23, 12, 1, 8, 34, 54, 2, and 3. By first property, must build a complete binary tree. So just like a, parent node, and it must contain the two child nodes. So 23, left child is 12, right is I right here. 23, right 12, write 1, then 8, 34, here 54, right subtract 2, and 8 left 3. So among this one which has the highest element is 54. So have to percolate up. So this is a max tree. So every parent node must contain the largest than the child node. So 54 goes to the top node here, and 29 percolate down. Like this, I have to swap the largest number to its position. And finally, once we delete the head node and stores in a temporary array, and finally we get the array on ascending order or descending order. So I did here. So what are the possible approaches in heap sort is, so heap construction. As I already told you that while constructing a heap tree must obey the two properties. First one is structure property. Based on structure property, build a max heap from the unsorted array. Okay, then next one. And extract and swap. So extract the high while building the max heap, extract the highest element in the parent portion and place lowest then elements are in the child portion. Then heapify. Heapify is nothing but uh, uh, to the root maintain the heap property, that is either max heap or min heap. While constructing a max heap, while all parent node must contain the larger element than it's the child node, and repeat until the short array gets shorter. So see here initially 10, 5 likewise build the heap order property here, building max heap, and extract here this, and second pass it gets shorter and final output here. So what are the prototype? So the prototype is simple. What is the basic property? While while building a binary heap tree or a heap sort, must obey the structure property. So build based on that a complete binary tree, and then swap root and reduce the size. If it is okay, keep as it is. No, then swap either percolate up or percolate down, and store the root element in a temporary array, and the temporary array is the our shorted array. Okay. So technical depth of heap sort is, and time complexity of cell sort is big O of n square in worst case, and space complexity is big O of n, and it is not stable and partly adaptive. And heap sort it has the time complexity of big O of n, and here extra element is big O of n log n, because when we maintain a tree structure means the complexity must be big O of log n either, or big O of n log n. So don't forget it. And space here also big O of n, and this one also not stable and not adaptive. Here the interdisciplinary, that is the advantages of this heap and binary sorts are, both are efficient sorting algorithm with the time complexity of big O of n log n in heap, and shell sort is big O of n square, and in place sorting algorithm require minimal extra memory because there is iterations are large, so it takes that much memory here. And here it is a stable sorting algorithm. uh, mm, then disadvantages here are it is not suitable for small data sets, as the overhead of building a heap is high, and it is not adaptive because it means it does not have take advantage of partially stored input here. I think you guys now understood what is heap and what is binary. Um, any doubts, comment me. I catch you in another video. Bye. Thank you, everyone.